Hello, Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company with Tech Tuesday. Today we have a quick shopping tip for used bikes. First, get a magnet. Next, look for aluminum components. Aluminum components have no magnetic pull. Check the hubs. Check the cranks. Check the rims. Check the brakes. Here's the thing. Bikes with steel components are generally lower grade than bikes with aluminum components. Notice we're not checking the frames. High-end bikes do come in a variety of different frame materials, including steel. But bikes with aluminum components are at least one tier higher than bikes with steel components. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. But to be clear, we're not saying that any bike with aluminum components is automatically a great bike. But say you're at a bike auction or a yard sale. This little tip can help keep you at least one tier up. Thanks for watching.